Okay, here are your notes for dividing fractions. Your step 1 is to change the mixed numbers to improper fractions. Just like when you were multiplying fractions, you changed mixed numbers to improper fractions. Step 2 is to keep the first fraction or number the same. Step 3 is to change the division sign to a multiplication sign. Step 4 is to flip the second fraction to its reciprocal. Then you just follow your multiplication rules. Okay, so our first example, we have 3/7 divided by 2/5. So since we don't have any improper fractions, we're going to keep the 3/7, change the division sign to multiplication, and flip this second fraction to its reciprocal. So the 5 becomes the numerator and the 2 becomes the denominator. None of these numbers can cancel each other out or be cross-simplified, so we're going to multiply straight across. 3 times 5 is 15. 7 times 2 is 14. Okay, this is an improper fraction, so you have to change it to a mixed number. 15 divided by 14 is 1. 15 minus 14, sorry, I wrote that wrong, is 1, and that becomes the numerator. The denominator is the number on the outside of the house. So your final answer is 1 and 1/14. Okay, let's try another one. We have 3/5 divided by 1/2. So again, since there are no mixed numbers, we are going to keep the first fraction, change the division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction so it becomes 2/1. There are no numbers that can cross-simplify, so you're going to multiply straight across. 3 times 2 is 6. 5 times 1 is 5. Now you're going to divide. 6 divided by 5 is 1. 6 minus 5 is 1. And that becomes the numerator, and the denominator is on the outside of the house. So your final answer is 1 and 1/5. If you need to pause the video to copy this down, you can. Okay, here's another one. We have 3/4 divided by 3. You can pause the video and try this one on your own. Start it when you're ready to check. Okay, so 3/4 divided by 3. To make a whole number fraction, remember you put it over 1. Keep the 3/4, change the division to multiplication, and the new reciprocal is 1/3. Okay, we do have numbers that can cancel on this one. 3 and 3 can cancel. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Then you multiply straight across. 1 times 1 is 1. 4 times 1 is 4. So you have 1/4 is your answer for this problem. Now we do have mixed numbers for this problem, so we're going to change those to improper fractions. Remember, you multiply the denominator times the whole number. 3 times 5 is 15, plus the numerator, so you have 17/3. Keep the division sign for now because you're still changing the mixed numbers into improper fractions. So you have 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5/4. So now you have your improper fractions, and you can do your step 2. So you have 17/3, the division sign changes to multiplication, and you flip this. Okay, nothing can simplify. 17 times 4 is 68. 3 times 5 is 15. 68 divided by 15 is 4 and 8/15. Okay. Try this next one on your own. Pause the video, and you can start it back to check. Okay, so you had to keep the 3/4. Keep the division for now because we still have to change our mixed number to an improper fraction. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5/2. Now we're going to keep the first fraction, change the division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. The 2 and the 4 can simplify. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Multiply straight across. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times 5 is 10. The answer is 3/10 for this problem. If you need to pause to copy that down, you can do that. Now, here's another one. We have 8 2/3 divided by 13/27. So we're going to change this mixed number to an improper fraction. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 2 is 26 over 3, divided by 13/27. Now that we have all improper fractions or fractions, we're going to keep, change, flip. Okay. We can simplify here. 13 and 26. 26 divided by 13 is 2. 13 divided by 13 is 1. Multiply straight across. 27 times 2 is 54 divided by 3. 54 divided by 3. 3 goes into 5 one time. 5 minus 3 is 2. 3 goes into 24 8 times. So your final answer is 18. Okay. Remember, whenever you are dividing fractions, you have to change your mixed numbers to improper fractions first. Then keep, change, flip. Always flip the second fraction. Okay. If you need to pause the video and copy anything down or rewind the video, you can do that.